Alright guys, so the continuation from my 8th item, which was the trail rail system, utility track system. My 9th item would be the soft tonneau cover right here, which is made by LEER, I believe. There it is, right there. So it's a soft tonneau cover by LEER. It has locking system. That's the reason I like it for. And to tell you the truth, I am planning to replace the soft tonneau cover with a hard tonneau cover. But the only problem is I don't like their locking system. I like this one better, since see how it is, and it works on both sides at the same time. The hard tonneau cover that I seen, they just have screw-on latches that you see right there in the rear. So yeah, but as far as in my 9th item, that is it. It is the soft tonneau cover. Stay tuned for more.